Good morning everybody, and here's another maths class. This morning we are talking about percentages. Now we haven't done percentages yet this year, so first thing is to understand what one is. What is a percentage? The sign percent stands for percent, which means out of 100. 40% means 40 out of 100. 11% means 11 out of 100. But, and here's the thing that makes percent a little bit difficult to understand, it isn't always out of 100. So 100 represents the whole. So for example, if I scored 50%, it could mean I got 5 out of 10. Or 10 out of 20. So first of all, I'm going to show you how to find out several common percentages, and the first one is 50%. 50% is the same as a half. To find 50%, you either divide by 2 or halve it. Now let's say I have the number 36. Now if you can halve 36, that's absolutely fine. If you are struggling with halving numbers, or if you need it visually, I would do it like this. Split your 36 up into its parts. That's the 30 and the 6. And then halve both of those parts. So half of 30 is 15. Half of 6 is 3. And then add them up. 15 plus 3 is 18. The reason why I'm showing you this with a small easy number like 36 is because if you can do it with an easy number, you could then split up a much bigger number that's in the thousands, the tens of thousands, and halve those parts and add them up to easily halve a number. Find 50% of these numbers. So I've got some numbers here. Here are some numbers. 50% of 12, 82, 128, 73, 1936. So pause me and work it out. Okay, so you've had a few seconds to work it out. Here are the answers. Half of 12 is 6, half of 82 is 41, half of 128 is 64, and half of 73 is 36.5, and half of 1936 is 968. Notice for half of 73, I had to use 36.5, so I had to split 1 into a decimal, and that's perfectly fine to do with percentages. It wasn't fine to do with fractions, but it's fine with percentages. How to find 25%. Divide by 4, or halve it, and halve it again. So you've seen how I halved something. You could do that twice, or you could use your bus stop method. So here I've got 134. I'm going to divide it by 4. I'm going to say 4 into 1 goes 0. 4 into 13 goes 3. Pass on my 1. 4 into 14 goes 3. Decimal point. I'm passing on the 2. 4 into 20 goes 5. So if you don't remember how to do that, I will say it's alright this time if you want to use a calculator, because to be honest, it's not division that we're learning today, it's how to find 25% of a number. So divide by 2, divide again, or divide by 4. Either way is good. So have a go at them. Find 25% of these numbers. There are the numbers again. This time I want you to halve it and halve it again. Pause me now. And here are your answers. So 25% of 12, 3. 25% of 82, 20.5. 25% of 128, 32. 25% of 73, 18.25. 25% of 1936, 484. Next one, I'm going to show you how to find 10%. Dead easy, just divide it by 10. Now you did this yesterday, so all you're doing is moving it one place to the right. So 567 divided by 10. Easy, move it one place to the right, your answer is 56.7. There's no thinking at all involved in that, you just move it one place to the right. Find 10% of these numbers. So we've got the same numbers again. Pause me now and see if you can find 10%. Okay, and I'll show you your answers. 10% of 12 is 1.2, 10% of 82 is 8.2, 10% of 128 is 12.8, 10% of 73 is 7.3, and 10% of 1936 is 193.6. You can use these techniques to find any percentages. So if you have a look, 50% divide by 2 or halve it, 25% divide by 4 or halve it twice, and divide 10% divide by 10.